Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day, establish, for Week 1, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at the flashcard. Establish has 3 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, sta. So we say establish, establish, establish. It is used only as a verb, and we have 2 definitions, although they really overlap. The first is to start or create an organization, a system, etc. that is meant to last for a long time. And really that phrase, to last for a long time, is key. It's not that you start something meaning to stop it tomorrow. It's to make it last a long time. So, for example, Escuela Popular is a school that Maestra Lydia established, and it has lasted for more than 30 years now. So you can say that Maestra Lydia established Escuela Popular. For your sentence for today, well, you should copy on the back of your flashcard. The first definition is relevant. Here we say it is critical to establish a thesis statement before beginning to write an essay. Establish. So you want to create your thesis statement, the one that's going to stay in your essay, before you start writing. So here you see a nice little graphic of the essay writing process. The beginning, when you gather ideas when you're pre-writing. And then you select one to develop into your thesis and call that target, or a claim statement. And then the idea that you're going to develop has to be established before you can start writing. Okay, so then you write your drafts, analyze, etc. Okay, let's go back to your flashcard. The second one also means to start something for a long time, but it has to do with relationships, okay? Especially formal ones with another person, group, or country. So you can establish a relationship with someone. Sometimes in some traditional countries where weddings or those who are married are chosen by parents, they're done to establish a friendship between families, where the bride and the groom, they don't necessarily know each other. It's the families who are trying to establish a relationship with each other and have their children marry. We can also use it in the sense of countries. Let's look, I have an example here, where we have the United States established a strong alliance or friendship with Great Britain in World War I that developed into the special relationship that continues today. This term, special relationship, is the one that describes the friendship between the United States and Great Britain, because we have such close economic and political ties and connections, and the 2 countries support each other in the world stage. And this started in World War I. Okay, so the alliance was established during World War I. So we can talk about the establishment of the alliance, which is the noun form. Or you can say the establishment of Escuela Popular by Maestra Lydia started in the 1980s. The opposite is disestablish, to break down. And then the participle form, or the adjective form, established. Your synonyms are to set up, to start, or to organize. But again, with established, the denotation is that it lasts a long time. Your intention is that it lasts a long time. And the antonym is are destroy, stop, and to prevent. So that is your academic word of the day for level 1. Please write an original sentence using establish if you got this one wrong on your reassessment, and include an illustration on a separate card and staple it to your reassessment. Happy studying!